Hello, welcome back to Let's Create with Sharon Lindley. This is two pieces that I created with leftover resin from my recent big round burgundy bright pop of colour florists. Put your teeth in, Sharon. These are very small canvases. They were actually really good to work with because they were quite tight. Now I'm applying my leftover black resin as the base for here, but I did apply a little bit too much and there was a little bit of leakage, but because it was almost at the curing stage, you can see it was holding its dome shape pretty well. But considering this was a last minute piece, not planned out, used with leftover resins, I really appreciated creating these and I still feel there's value in sharing with them. Now I can't come in with two layers. The first layer offers beautiful colors and movement, and I almost feel like it's celestial or space evoked emotions when I look at this, but let me know what it is that you see. If I'd have not applied so much on the base, most of the colour would have stayed on, but I did end up losing quite a lot. But no worry, no resin was harmed in the making of this video. When I come back and I do a second layer, it is mainly full of clear with some super sparkle white in there, so you get a little bit of glitter that adds to that star effect. Optional extra, you may have not liked to use that. And I come in and add a little bit of colour in the bottom corner, but I'm not too sure if that added value. So let me know your thoughts on this. Now, I really love the simplicity of what the resin is doing with itself just there on the piece I'm working with. I'm going to come back and work with some very restraint in my colours and try to capture almost a black negative space with a little bit of colour in there, where the cells or the movement or the resin, how it interacts, is creating the detail. I also love the depth that you get in this by adding some colours that are translucent and some that are opaque. But I've rambled on again. If you feel that there is any value in my video, please consider giving me a thumbs up, a subscribe, a share. Comments are always welcome. I hope you enjoy hearing some of the sounds local to me in Australia, and I hope that it relaxes you. Thank you for hanging around with me for a quick inspirational, should I say non-inspired? Is it inspirational? For a quick video, let's just put it that way, and hope you come back and hang out with me on future videos. Until then, keep safe, keep well, and hope you find time to create. Bye bye.